In this video, I show you how to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard and selecting the domain you want to work on. From the domain settings, head over to the DNS tab. This is where all your DNS records are managed. Click Add Record, then choose CNAME from the drop-down. In the name field, enter the subdomain you want, like www, blog, or shop. In the target field, type the destination domain you want this subdomain to point to. Remember, CNAME records always point to another hostname, not an IP address. For TTL, you can leave it on auto, which works for most setups. Then choose the proxy status. If you only want DNS resolution, select DNS only, Gray Cloud. If you'd like Cloudflare's security and caching, leave it on Proxied Orange Cloud. Once done, click Save. And that's it. Your CNAME record is now active, pointing traffic exactly where it needs to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cloudflare tutorials.